Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
The current year is 2020, am I right? Now, what is your expectation over here? Now, here, our expectation is based on the year, right? If let's say 2021 is going on, automatically it should render the year. Is it clear or not? Okay, now to solve this problem, let me close all these files. And to solve this issue, right, people, can you do one thing? Can you please go to the footer.component.ts quickly? Everyone, can you go to the footer.component.ts? Inside this footer.component.ts file, right, what we'll do, here we'll specify today colon of type date equal to new date, right? People, this one will give you new date or not? Sorry, this one will give you current date. All of you agree with this? Yes or no? Hello, people here, am I creating the date object, right? People, are you there, right? I'm not able to get any response.
Yeah, Abhi.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, now here I have created simply a date object, and what I'll do, I'll go to the footer. Instead of this 2018, now here I'm going to use a concept called pipe. Now here I'll provide today. I will use pipe, and then I'll mention date colon y. So now people have a look over the UI. People, is it showing 2020 now? How come? Here what we did, with the help of this pipe, we are informing that because from this date, right, you please retrieve only the year. You please retrieve the year. Like this, as and when required, or as per your requirement, what you can do, people, in SQL, right, you will get various formats for retrieving the date contents, right? Have a look. People, tell me, is it possible to cover all the things, to cover all the parameters? Not possible. That's the reason I have shared this location with you. So if any data related activities you want to do it, you can refer this thing. While referring this thing, right, what you have to take care, the format, you have to provide it after the colon. Is it clear or not? Now, if we'll provide the hyphen mm hyphen dd. Have a look. It will show you the people. Have a look over here. Is it showing YYMMDD format or not?
Yeah.
Yes. Clear?
Abhi, can you show me the syntax in the workspace?
Yes. Yes, people. Are you done with this? Please let me know.
Done. Yeah.
Done.
Okay. Okay. Now have a look over here. See, this is not the correct place to show this part. Okay. But here I'm showing. People here, there is one more pipe called currency. Okay. Have a look. Is it showing $10 or not? Right, everyone? Now, if you're expecting, let's say AUD, that is Australian dollar, correct? Is it showing a dollar symbol? Agree, everyone? People, is it showing Japanese yen, right? People, is it showing RS? That is 4 rupees, correct? Is RS? No. I'm doing a mistake. It is
Is it INR?
INR. That rupee symbol. Clear, everyone? Is it showing that rupee symbol correctly? Right, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. So, people, actually, this is not a correct place. Okay. But because of time, right, I'm showing it over here. Is it fine now? Just you should know how to use it. Clear? So in this way, right, people, if you want, you can design the custom pipes. Clear?
Okay.
In this way, right, we can design these are the predefined pipes, okay? And if you want to design a custom pipe, that example now I'll show it to you. Clear? People, can you quickly check this thing at your end? I'll give you a minute's time. Done. Okay. Now here, ng generate pipe. This command will help you to create a new pipe. This command will help you to create a new pipe as per the standard. As per the standard, here, whatever the common pipes we need it, we'll hold it in a which module? Core module only. And here I will have a folder called pipes followed by name image. So this pipe, I'm going to use it for handling the image part. Clear everyone? Yes or no? Now, okay, if we'll look into the structure, right, for this core module, have a look over here. This would be your standard structure for any module. Is it clear or not? In this way, right? Now people tell me if we'll divide our every module with this kind of specifications, right? Then ease of maintenance will be easy or not? Ease of maintenance will be easy, correct? Okay, next. So inside this pipes, right, you will get a image pipe, and inside this image pipe, right, here this image pipe class is implementing an interface called pipe transform. This pipe transform is used for handling the any activities. Now here, what is the expectation? Here, whatever the image path you will provide, if this image path is not available, then I want to render my own image. Is it clear, everyone? For example, let's say people, all of you handle Amazon, right? Over the Amazon, right? If it is not able to find out anything or something went wrong, right? Will it show different doggy pictures or not?
Correct.
It will show some different doggy pictures, correct? So like that here, what's my expectation? Here, the particular image which we want to render, right? For example, let's say that here, right, inside this assets, right, we have an image, correct? Showcase image. If this image is not available, or I'm referring some my S3 bucket location where the image is not available. Then instead of that, I want to show my common not found kind of image. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no? A sort of smiley or like that dog image, like that. We can fix a specific pattern for the application, and we will and we will utilize it. Now, to confirm the same work, right? To do the same thing, well, I'm using my ready-made code over here so that I can give you the clarity. Here, this Boolean flag, as of now, I will not discuss. Okay. People, is there any need to explain this if else part?
No.
No. Now, what does it mean? If this first value is not available, correct, then is it setting fallback value to the image or not? Agree, everyone? Okay. Now, I will look over here. So to show this thing, right, here, what I'll do here quickly, I'll generate ng generate component, let's say sample, because this component will be generated under the app module only. I will look over here. The sample component is generated, correct? Okay, now we will have a look over here. Now here, what is the expectation? Now, in this case, right, in this case, here, we want to use that image pipe. Okay, now quickly, what I'll do, inside this asset, I have this showcase image, right? I'll copy this path, and inside this sample only, right? Quickly, I'll paste it. Okay. Now people have a look over here. Now here, what is the expectation? If it is not able to find out this showcase image, correct? If it is not able to find out this showcase image, then what we are expecting, it should render a default image or not. All of you clear with this or not? Right now, for that purpose, here I'm going to use img tag. Well, img tag is used to set the image. Agree? src. Here I will mention showcase.jpg pipe image colon colon. Now, people here, do we need to provide some default location or not, right? So let's say for me, http://s3 dot amazon aws.com slash ui faces slash twitter slash si 128 dot jpg. Correct. Have a look over here now. Now let's include this one over the app component HTML. Below the footer, I'm going to use it app-sample. Okay, I have saved it. Let me take you to the UI. What happened? Line number 6. App sample only. Why it is not rendering the image? What's wrong with this? Okay, just a second. People, we have to wait for a couple of minutes. Mhm.
Abhi, do we have any providers?
Yes. Hello.
Like, do we need to declare in some origin?
Nothing. No need to declare. Hello.
Okay, okay.
Prithvi, for this, right? No declarations.
Okay, okay.
You're thinking to
Like service, yes.
no. If it's going to work out, okay. No issues for that. Unexpected character at end of file. There is an issue with the. Just a second. It is giving correct only. Showcase.jpg, correct. Because the pipe name is image only, correct. Showcase.jpg, true, followed by.
Double quotes. Abhi?
Hey, just a second. I got the point. It is why it is not able to understand this dot. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll declare. Let's say name colon string equal to I have declared it, and here I'll mention name. Line number 18 sample not component.ts. Ah, silly mistake. To the people, did you get the
Double
the
quotes.
mistake? Yes, there is an issue with the double quotes. Now it is set. Still, what is the problem? It's a part of app module. Then what's the problem with this?
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan and grow your skills immensely.
People here, are you able to this sample works, right? What happened to the scooter gone? It is not able to find out. ठीक है, no issues. We will have a look over here. It is not able to find out, okay, this pipe. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to export it. Now it will work. My mistake. Now it will work. Okay. Okay. Now, people, are we able to see this image correct or not? Now, I'll tell you what was the problem. The problem was here. Well, this pipe is available inside the core module or not? For the pipes, the entry will be done inside the declarations, right? So because of this reason, right, here, this pipe, do we need to export it or not? So when you'll export it, then only then everyone will be able to utilize it, correct? So because of this reason, it was happening. Now what I'll do, inside my sample.component.ts, right? Now what I'll do, I'm going to put some, I'm going to change the image name. Now have a look over here. Okay, people, let's assume quickly what I'll do to sort out this problem. Let's assume I'm providing a blank image name. I'm providing a blank image name. Now have a look over here. Here, is it showing that smiley face or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So in this way, right, people, in this way, you can build the custom pipes. Clear, everyone? People, did you get the mistake? What was the mistake? Mistake was we didn't export it. Clear, everyone? Yes or no? Mistake was we didn't export it. Okay, now people, in next 5 minutes, what I'll do here, I'll give you some clarity for the Angular 8 features. The major expectation from the Angular 8 was lazy loading or dynamic loading. People, have we performed this lazy loading or dynamic loading or not?
Yeah, we have.
Correct, everyone? We use this thing, correct? another thing is here build time for your Angular application is now reduced because of IV implementation. Because of IV implementation. People, when we talk about this Angular IV, right? Angular IV, right? This Angular IV, basically it is a new compiler, okay? New compiler, which is introduced by the Angular, okay? Now in this case, internally, nowadays, whatever the Angular applications you will develop, right? Internally, they're using IV specifications. Is it clear, everyone, or not? Now, what are the advantages that you will get it because of this IV? Here, because of this IV, right? The first benefit that you will get it, that is rebuild time is reduced compared with old versions. Next point will be payload time is decreased here. Template type checking. People, now whatever the errors we are getting, right, regarding the HTML also, right, are we able to see these errors immediately or not? For example, that pipe wall error, we were facing it, correct? So this pipe error, was it notifying us on a console, correct, everyone? Immediately, is it notifying or not at the time of generating build, correct? So this one also, right, they have done a lot of improvements internally. People, here, right, the second point which I'm talking, right, it is completely for your internal aspects. Is it clear, everyone, or not? People are getting my point or not? These things, right, are utilized internally, okay? So for example, let's say people in Java 8 and in Java 7, right, have they done some JVM level changes into Java 8 or not? In 9 also they have done, in 10 also they have done it, correct? Yes or no? So those internal changes with respect to the JVM will be helpful for us, agree? With respect to some performance part, right? In the same way, this IV is going to help us internally. Is it clear or not? Then in earlier versions, right, we were using for performing any kind of HTTP related work, right? We were using the @Angular HTTP package, okay? But they moved it into nowadays they moved it into this inside the common part. People, have you used it or not? People, this HTTP client we use, correct? This HTTP client, have they shifted to this HTTP client module? They shifted into which one? They shifted into the common one only. Is it clear? This is the one change that they have done it. And from Angular 8 onwards, it is a mandatory thing. We have to use TypeScript version 3.4. Without that, it won't give any support. Okay. So as I told you, right, Angular earlier days in earlier versions, right, we were using @Angular HTTP package, okay, for handling your HTTP stuff. Now they removed it and everything they shifted to @Angular common HTTP. Then for internally, they have done some changes for people. We use commands like ngserve, ngbuild, correct? So they're also right. They have done some internally. They have done some changes. All of you are clear with this part or not? People, the major thing is what? From the implementation perspective, right? Practically lazy loading. And whatever the stuff I discussed with you, right? It was purely behind the scene. Is it clear or not? And unless and until if you have not worked with the previous version, right, you will not get the complete clarity regarding the same. So here, just I have given few heads up with respect to the Angular 8 features. Is it clear, everyone, or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. Okay, people, that's it from my side. And here, this is the feedback link. Everyone, please complete the feedback. And another thing is, people, yesterday, did I share one Google Drive location with you?
Yes, Abhi.
Yesterday, day before yesterday, I shared the Google Drive location. Hello.
And you reshared it in the GitHub.
Because Mate, you need the recordings, correct? You need a recording
Yeah.
copy, right? So to upload that one, right? Over the GitHub, I don't think so. It will allow to upload 1 GB files. Shilpa, yes, this is the location. Yes, Shilpa, thanks. People, over this location, right? I will upload the recordings in a day time. Fine. So here I will upload everything. And another thing is this Excel sheet also, right? I will upload it right away. And the complete project code also I will upload it on the same Google Drive location. Is it fine, everyone?
Abhi, code alone, can you put it on the GitHub as well?
Yeah, with no issues. I'll put it on a code. I'll put it on a GitHub. Okay. Just give me a minute. Let me open the location only. That location is already open.
Big, can we get the video by tomorrow?
Yes. Hello. Mostly you will get it by tomorrow. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Mostly till Raghu, till end of the day, right? Tomorrow end of the day, right? I will upload it. Fine.
Yeah.
This deletion part is going to take some time, okay? But once it is done, right, immediately I will upload the codes to the GitHub location.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Gajalakshmi, that you will get it on a Google Drive location.
Sure.
It is available, okay? Fine. You can take it from this location. Right? Okay. Fine, everyone. So people, what I'll do once it is deletion is finished, right? It will take another 10-15 minutes. Once it is done, I will upload the code, okay? And another thing is videos, right? For the day 1, day 2, right? I will upload it by today night. And if I'll get the day 3 video also, right? I'll try to close it by today. Otherwise, I'll close it by tomorrow morning. Worst case, I'm taking the timeline till I'll try to close it by evening. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. So thanks everyone. Thanks for joining the session. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.